Once you've created a new project, added your team members, and turned the timesheets on, you'll see billing settings and billing type. So at the moment, we have 5 different billing settings. So task-based billing, this means that you can create different tasks for your team members to allocate their time against, and you will be billing this client based on the tasks completed. For example, front-end development, you can say is $50 or £50 per hour. As soon as your team submit time for front-end development, all of that time will be billed at $50 or pounds per hour. And you can add multiple different tasks. Some can be billable, some can be unbillable. So you can really build up the invoicing structure for your clients this way. Team member rate will use your team member's default hourly rate from their profile. Now, please note, you can change the team member rate for every individual project, and this will not affect their hourly rate on their profile. We all know that some clients want a cheaper hourly rate, or you negotiate a discount for different clients in different circumstances, and Teami allows you to make changes based on this. A project rate will allocate one set rate per hour for all time logged against this project. For example, let's say you had 10 different tasks, 9 of them are billable and 1 is unbillable. All of the time allocated against the billable tasks will be charged at one fixed project rate, such as $30 per hour. All work on this project is billed at $30 per hour. A fixed fee project is when you have a client who you agree a one-time payment for the whole scope of the project. We do not have a functionality for this to be recurring monthly at the moment. That will come later. But for now, to use the fixed fee, this is simply a one-time payment for the whole of the project. And a non-billable project could be if you're doing some charity work, or if you're doing some work for a friend or family, or a one-off project where you are not going to be charging this client for any of the work you complete, but you still want to track time against the project so you know what your team members are working on. You would use the non-billable. Once you've selected a billing type, you have to select the billing currency. I'm just going to use dollars for this. So this is the currency you're going to invoice this client in every month. It's important to note that once you set the billing type and the billable currency, these cannot be changed later. So make sure you are sure before you hit save. Once you've selected save, you will then be asked, depends on the billing type you selected. I selected project rate. Here I can set the project rate. Client budget is not a mandatory field, but if you know it, you can put it in. And you need to add the tasks before you can finish up here. So the tasks are the different jobs that your team members are going to be doing for this client. You can simply create your own by typing it and hitting enter and add, or you can select from the predefined list, or you can select add all to this project. And that's how the billing settings work. Any questions, please reach out to our customer support. Thank you.